What is going on today? Heading up the hill towards Timberview Resort in Turin, New York, meeting up with Dave and Karen, Bob and Michelle, Kimmy and Mary. Jimmer's going to be here, which is Kimmy and Mary's son. I believe he's bringing his girlfriend. I don't know yet. We got myself, and Kimmy should be on her way as well. So, going to go have some fun up on the mountain, do a little riding. This is going to be pretty much the first real break-in ride for the Scrambler 1000S while it's still stock. So, kind of wanted to do a little riding with it, see how it feels, give somewhat of a comparison to the Sportsman. Even though it's been like 3 years since I rode the Sportsman stock, I still remember how exciting it was. And I can only imagine the Scrambler is going to be a whole lot more exciting. How could it not? It's like twice the machine. Maybe not so much power, but there's some upgrades that were well overdue. The Walker Evans suspension is definitely one of the big ones. So, yeah, gonna go up there, meet up with these guys, get everything unloaded, unpacked, and probably go try to get a little riding in. It's early. It's only about 2 o'clock right now, so should be able to get a little riding in before dinner time and have some fun with it and see what she can do. All right, now's the time. Today is going to be first test ride out. The soon to be beast of a can't wait to get this thing out and try it out. I've seen a lot of videos out there that are actually giving some negative reviews of this machine, which I don't really understand, but we're going to find out for myself. By no means am I unfamiliar with this engine or this clutching. Yeah, this is what basically was on the Sportsman. So we're going to find out, see how it handles, see how it rides, and give you guys an idea of what it's like for anybody that's interested in looking to buy one. So stay tuned. We'll get it out on the trail here in a second, and we'll find out just what she can do, what she can't do, before I go forward and do the rebuild on it. Because I've only got about another week and a half, 2 weeks before she gets torn apart. The assassinators will be here, the snorkel kit, the clutch kit, the clutch is. What else we got coming? The exhaust, RJWC's coming on, and yeah, a bunch of other things, but we'll do a video on that another time. We're ready to get out and ride and get some time in before this friggin' rainstorm gets here. Hopefully we got a little while. Oh yeah. Also got my big belly grips put on. The first part of the build right there. All for you guys. They're awesome though. I mean, I rode around with the stock grips on for a while in the Sportsman, and oh my god, were they rough on the hands. But once you put these on, super soft, super cushiony. I haven't glued these yet just because I might be changing the handlebar, but yeah, if you're looking for a set of grips that are a little softer on the hands, these are definitely the grips to go with. So give them a check out. Dave on the machine, Jimmer on his new machine, you got Kimmy on his go-kart Sportsman 570 that he thinks goes through everything. Poor guy. I don't know if anybody's ever going to break it to him, but he's got some things to be done before he goes through some deep shit. But you'll never learn, and that's okay. That's what makes him fun. That's what makes him Kimmy. She was quite warmed up yet. Something was going on there, but she didn't want to give me the beans, and I was asking for them. So we got everybody today. We got Dave, we got Karen, we got Kimmy, we got Mary, we got Joe, we got Bubba, and we got Jimmer. Friggin' Dave. I'm gonna try to get my machine all dirty. Don't be rolling her yet.
This thing's awesome. So easy.
Huh?
It's so easy to do that.
A lot of power in the rear.
Yeah.
Needs clutches. But we're gonna actually go hit the trail now. Had to wait for you know, our local friends to get down the road a little further before we started heading out. Not that we're worried about anything, but yeah, we'll just go with that. I'm worried about anything. I wonder where those went to. See, the power's all there now. Not gonna deny it's a Can-Am, but I like it. He's done a lot of nice stuff with it. She's definitely a beastie machine, that's for sure, but he's definitely gonna have a challenge coming when this girl is all done, because she is gonna be ready. I cannot wait to do this build. Alright, get out, hit the trail a little bit. Well, not trail, but it's a seasonal road, it's snowmobile trails, it gets the dirt up here, but this would be more for, I don't know, speed and loose gravel handling. We can see what it can do. Wicked handling, so stable. You know, like the Sportsman that I have with the offset wheels, the width makes it about 53 inches roughly wide, where this is 55 inches wide. So for me, it's not a huge difference as far as being used to the machine. I understand the complaint that a lot of people have with being 55 inches because of all the trails they ride on. Well, there's a 50-inch minimum, which I understand that. Where I live, I don't have that issue, so I'm not completely worried about it. I've only ran into an issue one time when I was up at Fairwater Lakes up in Ontario. Some of the trails have the old gates on it. The old gates wouldn't allow me through at my width. I was just like an inch shy of getting through. So that's the only issue I have with my width of the Sportsman. Now with this, I don't know, we'll find out. I'll just be careful before I go anywhere riding and find out what we have for trails. So, but what I can say about her right now, she's a stable machine. Alright, so we're just about to Whiskey Jack's, just down the road here a little bit. Go see what we got for some mud and see if the boys can play a little bit. I'm not going to be playing with her in the mud too much until everything's rebuilt. Just doesn't make sense. You know, I want to get a feel for it the way it is. And once everything's done up, that's primarily all I'm going to be focusing on riding with her is the mud. So, can't wait for it, but at the same time, I'm kind of enjoying the trail ride experience of it because it's a super nice machine. So, not going to complain. Great acceleration, great handling, suspension super smooth, and I'm loving it. So, yeah, see what we got for some mud up here. Even with all this rain, now here's the dust. Doesn't even look like they got rain over here now. It's crazy. Crazier is how fast it dries up even after a rainstorm. It's only downfall to Tug Hill. Looking pretty bleak, boys. Definitely not like it was when we were here the last time we played. Definitely not. Take a little break and go play with it anyway. Alright, we're gonna go down and see what Jimmer's up to down here. Woo! She's loud.
Badass.
She is a badass machine.
We got this.
Fuck yeah. I always forget I'm doing this while I'm recording. One of these days I'm going to slip up because I'll be recording while I'm drinking a few too many waters, and next thing you know it, whoops, off YouTube I'll be. It's all right. Wow, look at that thing. It's just sexy, 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 sexy. Beating the piss out of her already. Poor girl. Don't get mad at me yet. We're just having fun. I know you're dirty. I know you like to be treated dirty. That's the way it's gonna be. Oh, ruddy as a mother. She's not cutting out no more.
That's a plus.
And it handles it smooth. I like it. She likes it. You gonna come play, or what are you doing there?
Yeah, I'll play it.
Friggin' Dave, he's a wild man. That was a good one. See, I'd love to hit that one right now, but I know sure as shit that radiator is gonna clog. It's already getting hot. Fucking sucks. Staying pretty clean though. It's nowhere near what it was last time we were down here. You could just fucking punch it and go. That was fun. Ah. It's too hard.
You gotta watch it.
You gotta be careful where you hit it, because if it comes down too hard on a hard spot, well.
Oh yeah, I almost went in that hole. I was like, oh, that's a nice spot.
What's that?
Well, besides getting hangry.
Hungry,
angry.
Getting hangry?
Got some burgers, sausage. You're the only fucker who brought a grill, so. Thing's loud as fuck.
Alright, so back to Timberview we go. Get some barbecue started and have a few adult beverages and relax a little bit for the night. See how that goes. I think she's gone, so maybe she figured it out. Thank God. Good size fucking guy.
But you wanted to get on it a little bit.
I did.
You did, or you want to jump in front? You can go for it.
Oh, it's straight back to Timberview, isn't it?
Straight to the river right here.
Wow. Polaris, you definitely fucking did it. Oh my god, I feel like a little kid on it. I wasn't even really like pushing it all that hard because I really didn't know like that section of trail completely, but average 70 for a pretty good while. That was fucking fun. My god, I'm gonna have to blurt that out, but if you're looking for a Scrambler 1000S, I don't know, what do I got for miles on it now? Let's see here. Get in the hole. What do we got? 111 miles, about 112 miles. So no blowing belt yet. 112 miles, so if you're blowing belts at 75 miles, you're probably doing something wrong. Just saying. Not that that's pointed towards anybody specifically, but for now, barbecue, beers, and relax, and then maybe some more trail riding across the road if it doesn't rain, or just go back to it tomorrow.